Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very short video for you. So today I'm going to show you how to make your photos look like this, from this to that, easily, without the need of a photoshopping app. So let's get right into it. This is a website based kind of thing. You just type remove.bg. I'm going to link the website in the description below. So just gonna wait for it to load. Yeah, and that passes automatically in 5 seconds without a single click. Wow. Okay, let's go to select photo. Just gonna select a photo here which I'm gonna be using for this video. Let's go to this one. I've already arranged a series of photos to show you how this works. Let's start with a light photo. This is a photo of me I took last year. Uploading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it takes longer than 5 seconds, but that's not a problem. As you can see, the photo is even, when I took the photo I took it upside down, but then the website rotated the photo. Yes, as you can see from this photo, let's look at the left armpit. Can you see how much of a good job this thing has done? Flawless, easily. So just gonna download the photo. Yep, it's downloaded. Let's do another one. Select photo. It's easy, seamless. Let's get this dark one and see how it's going to perform, how it's going to isolate the subject. Looks like continues to do the job, but not really. As if you can look under my armpit, my left armpit, it's a bit dark there, so the color of my arm is the same as my background there. But that's not a problem, because through this website you can also be able to edit your photo. You can also add or erase the background there. Let's say we want to erase. You can also decrease the size of your brush here. No, it's not the size of the brush. The size of the brush. Can it come here? Let's zoom in so that I'm able to remove the correct thing here. Decrease the size of the brush, and then just like that. Adding refinements to my photo. Careful not to add too much. Can go back if you add too much. Yep, I think it's fine now. Or is it? It's not. Remove. Yep. Download. Just like that.